Hello and welcome back to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today we've got two lovely parcels that have come through to my PO box and one that's come in from a friend. This is broken and unwanted jewellery which has been donated for upcycling, restoring and reselling in my eBay, Etsy, my Whatnot and in my retail stores. Let's see what's in the parcels. First of all is this really cool silver tone pendant. I think it's meant to be worn that way, but now I'm looking at it, I love this texture on the inside. What if we hung a pearl from there? Wouldn't that look amazing? I might have to have a go at that. Don't have time today, sadly, because we are in the school holidays and I've got the kiddies home, but I will get to it. This is acrylic. Needs to go on a chain. We've got a couple of leaves which can be made into earrings. And this, I think is resin, just a pattern under resin pendant. And then some Pandora style beads. Onto the first parcel now. We've got some gorgeous brightly coloured wooden beads. The children will love those when I do my next workshop. And then a nice little baggie of things. Oh, look at these fun cacti. I'm assuming we've got two. Yes, we have. Those are awesome. I might just move those over to hooks, or could turn them into charms, couldn't I? These look like handmade polymer clay. I want to put faces on those. Pea pods, how fun. A sparkly stretch. Kids will love those beads too. Oh, this is a nice lampwork bead. That one I will for sure make into a necklace charm. Then we have a sparkly, I can't remember what that's called. It's not an Aurora Borealis, it's got a name. They were everywhere in the early noughties. Remind me if you know in the comments. And then these fabulous earrings. I might just pop those over to new hooks, or we could make two pairs, hang something different off here and then turn those into separate ones. Let me know what you think. That was lovely Rebecca who sent those in. Thank you, Rebecca. And then this parcel, I don't know who it's from. We had one that looked the same in my shorts, so keep an eye out for that one. Do let me know if it was you. I do always give a voucher, a discount voucher to people who have sent in parcels to me. I do massively appreciate you all. Wow, I can see some gemstones and some pearls. And this rather glorious flower. Looks like it might be pewter. There's some peridot up here with freshwater pearls. They are stunning. Love peridot. Beautiful purple pearls, and I think that might be a 925 on the clasp there, so gorgeous silver clasp as well. They're beautiful. I don't see a note. This looks like a very generous parcel and it's coming anonymously. Please do claim if it was you. Let me know in an email. We've got rose quartz. I love these glass beads. I might cut them out and make bracelets and earrings from those. I suspect this might be in here because it's broken. They look like the black seed beads on a vintage necklace. I'll open that up later. There's another one here. Beautiful brown and black agates. There's some chain in there. Oh, this is exactly what I need, some gold tone head pins. I keep forgetting to order them, so that's super handy, thank you. Bit of Murano glass there. How do I know? Because it says Murano on the back. And that is attached to these wood or possibly nut beads. And some more lovely gemstones here. And some colourful seed beads. Look at that lovely piece of glass. Gorgeous colours. And then this isn't turquoise, I don't think. Could be howlite. Let me know what you guys think. And then these are hematite. probably man-made ones. This is an interesting bib necklace. It's got stones, but I don't know what they are. Perhaps they are just dyed stone rather than a gemstone. Another glass heart. And a peacock. Wow, that's nice enamel. Beauty. This I think is smoky quartz. It's really super heavy and it's got that same clasp as the other one had. Isn't that lovely? Fun plastic bangle. Well, that's got a signature on it. What does that say? I think it says Adele something and then London. That is a new one on me, so I will have to look that one up. And then we've got some dyed gemstones. And that's another piece of that Murano glass. Some gemstones waiting to be freed from this one. And a stretchy. And these are handmade glass beads. You can tell because they're quite irregular. Pretty brown colours. Ooh, look at the colour of these. Those are gorgeous. That's a very autumnal looking. I wonder if it had something hanging from the bottom of there. I can't read what that says. Do we recognise that tag? Let me know. There's a cool Pandora style bracelet here. This is a sweet dainty necklace. I think I might take off those bits and make some cute earrings. Ooh, some lovely amber in here and loose gemstones. Gorgeous. This is a popped stretchy. You probably recognise this style. I use those beads. And then we have these unusual pieces. What an eclectic lot of gorgeous things. So many gemstones and pearls, loads to work with. Thank you so much, guys, for sending these in to me. I do really appreciate you. Keep an eye on my shorts for the things that I make for them. Do come over and join me for a What Not show. The link is in the description as well. Hit that like for me and the subscribe. Check out the channel membership as well. There's some behind the scenes stuff and extra content in there. Watch something else and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.